Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a BirchBox unboxing. I got a deal for their Black Friday event that they were doing, so we'll see what I got and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're going to be doing my BirchBox here. It came in this really big box. I'm trying to find where to open it from. Alright. Okay, so items seem to come well packaged. We got these little guys here, fluffy things, giant bubble pop. So the whole thing was just this, not the rest of it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it just shows that it was what I ordered with the other item. So this is the Kiehls Calendula Petal Infused Calming Mask. It soothes and relieves skin from discomfort. I have very sensitive skin, so that seemed helpful for me. It's our calming mask infused with a hand-picked calendula flower petals and refreshing aloe vera hydrates to help reduce visible redness, rebalance skin for the fresh, healthy-looking appearance. Formulated to help relieve daily discomforts, our cream gel formula comforts and soothes skin and for a revivid complexion. Okay, so it's this little brown container right here. I don't know if you can see that very well. Comes with a safety seal, that's nice. Doesn't seem like to smell like anything, to be honest. I kind of wish that it came with one of those pop-top safety seals. Like some other brands have, because in that way when the product got on it you could still put it back on, it wouldn't matter. Let's see. Try it here, see how it feels. That's nice, it's really cool. Goes on really nice. It's not sticky or anything like that. So yeah, a little tiny bit, and I took that off the lid. So I would say that a little would go a very long way. So I'm kind of disappointed that they used such a big box for such a small item, but I was hoping that both of the items were supposed to be in it, because I was supposed to get a BirchBox box and this, but I only got that, so I'm still waiting on my BirchBox. So now I have to find out why that wasn't sent. So, alright, well, thank you guys for coming and stopping by. Hopefully this wasn't too long of a disappointment like it was for me. Oh, but on the plus side, this is 3.4 fluid ounces. And it doesn't show a cost. But this was on sale, I think, for $30? Yeah, so alright, well, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully when I get the other box I can kind of put the whole thing together and do this better for you. But it does feel really nice.